You have a AT&T or a VTech phone, I want to help you fix the issue where it's out of range. And so what you need to do is reset the phone so it'll be able to pair with your base. And it's very simple to do. The only thing you need to do is go ahead and go to menu. Sometimes the menu is a little circle right here. Sometimes they're on the top, sometimes they're on the side. So I want to hit menu. And then from menu, what I want to do is I want to do, in the combination of numbers, I want to hit number sign 7890 and pound. Okay, so number sign 7890 pound. All right, it's going to go to test base, and I'm going to use my arrow up to test handset, and then I want to click enter, and then I'm going to go up to next page, hit enter, and it says registry clear. Go ahead and hit enter, and it says registry clear. Yes, hit enter. Okay, and then go ahead and put it on your base. It should start working there. If for whatever reason it doesn't, what I want you to do is hold down the find handset for a good 5 seconds. And then you can hold down the number sign here for a good 5 seconds on your phone. And then see if that works. If that doesn't work, try unplugging it and then taking out the battery of the phone. Or you can just unplug the battery and keep that unplugged for a good 30 minutes. And I'm very confident that will fix your issue. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.